Okay, let's start here with the all ingredient that we have. So let's start from chili. So I use the dry chili because I like the smell. Is make the smell is like better than the fresh one. Or you can also use the fresh one if you like the fresh chili better. So also this is the garlic. So I'm gonna put this two because it's pretty big. So two should be enough. Or you can add more if you like more. And then also tomatoes. So any kind of tomato, whatever you like, whatever you have in your kitchen, and peanuts. So in the Thai style, so they use the peanut, but today I'm going to make the Lao style. But I also gonna add the peanuts, so because I love it so much. And this is the palm sugar. So I like the palm sugar because the taste is not that like really sweet. So it's like a good sweet, but you can also use the white sugar if you like to. And plums. So I'm not gonna use two. I'm just gonna use like a half of them. It's just for like decoration. And green papayas. So you can find in like an Asian store. I think this is probably the hardest to find for papaya salad, but I don't think it's too bad. Yeah. And I also use tamarind sauce. The reason that I use the tamarind sauce because it's make like it's get more juice and also get like a taste like sour, like not too sharp. Like lamb is a little bit like I don't know how to say it, but mixed together is really good. And the fish sauce, and also this is the anchovy sauce. So if you don't like it, you don't have to use it, just take it out. So like Thai style, you just don't use the anchovy sauce, you just use all this is like a Thai style. So I'm gonna teach you how to make like a Thai style in neck creep. So yeah, just follow me, subscribe me, so then you can learn how to cook. And the last thing that you should have, so it's very important, this is I'm not sure how to say in English. So in Thai it's called clock. So it's kind of like a stone thing, and this is you can like smash it. If you went to Thailand before, you probably see this that they use this making papaya salad. So yeah, let's start. Alright, here, let's start. So I'm gonna put the dry chili first. So I'm not gonna put too much, so it's kind of spicy. I can't really handle spicy. I can only handle medium spicy. So yeah, that's chili, and then garlic. You smash them together like that. And then the palm sugar, I'm just gonna use like a half, like quarter of it, whatever I showed you earlier, and also smash it together. อันนี้ก็จะเป็นการแบบพูดภาษาอังกฤษแทบจะทั้งหมดนะคะเพราะคิดว่าคนไทยน่าจะทำเป็นอยู่แล้วแล้วก็อยากสอนฝรั่งด้วยก็แบบฝรั่งจะชอบส้มตำมากเลยนะ and then next tomato right here. I'm gonna cut it in half. You can put as much as you want. So if you like more, you can add more tomato in it. So yes. Like that, and then you smash them. And then last, squeeze it, and I also gonna put the skin in there too, make it good color. Nothing to do with the taste for the skin, just the color. There you go. I put like probably like half of it in there. And then tamarind sauce. Just look like that. Gonna put 2 tablespoons in it. So fish sauce. This is the fish sauce. I'm gonna put like almost 1 tablespoon. I don't want to make it too salty because I'm gonna have to put the anchovy sauce in it. So. Tablespoon of the anchovy sauce. And then I'm gonna add peanut. You don't have to put it if you don't like it, so it's just my favorite. Like all of it. And just mix them together. Then last, you're gonna add papaya. So for the papaya, you really need the green one. So you don't want the yellow one that you saw in like Walgreen or somewhere that yellow. So you don't need yellow one. It's gonna be like smushy and it's not gonna crispy. It's not gonna taste good. So get the green one from the Asian store. Then just smash it like that. However you like it. If you like it more sour, add the lime. If you like it more sweet, add sugar. So yeah. That's good.